Have you ever used an AI voiceover tool and thought, wow, that sounds like a robot? Well, today is changing. I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs to create incredible AI voiceovers for your videos and presentations. The best thing is you can try it for free. The first thing I want to do is clarify that yes, you can use it for free, but only for two options. Text to speech, which is the one that we're going to be talking about today, and speech to speech. You have 10,000 characters, which means you have a 10-minute audio option to use for free. Now that you know that, let's go to speech. So I'm going to go right here, select speech, and as you can see, you have those two options, text to speech and speech to speech. We're going to select this one, text to speech. Now, you can either copy a text that you wrote, or you can use any of the examples that ElevenLabs has there for you. I'm going to choose a text that I wrote. After that's done, you have this little bubble where you're going to see all the pre-made AI voiceovers inside of ElevenLabs, okay? Let's test them out and have some fun.
But these are not normal times in our politics.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
As you can see, they're quite different, and that's the idea. They have accents, they have personalities, their speech is different, and that's the idea, okay? Now that you've listened to them, you have a brief understanding that they sound human. Let's select the two of them we're going to listen today, which are Grace and Tom.
Understanding your why offers clarity, but sharing your why builds trust.
You can see it's quite accurate. She sounds very professional and I really like it. Now let's go with Thomas.
Understanding your why offers clarity.
So now that that's done, I'm going to choose Grace, and all I gotta do is hit download right over there. Wait a few seconds and immediately you can look it into your music library. So now let's say that you want to add that voiceover to a presentation. Let's go to Canva. I'm going to use it right now so you can see. And you're going to upload that Grace voiceover or the voiceover that you selected, okay? Now that it's done, you can see it's uploading to Canva, and then I'm going to go to that presentation that I selected, and I'm just gonna put it right there below, and that's it. It's so easy. You just download, upload, and then put it in the presentation or any video that you want, and that's it. So imagine the possibilities as a solopreneur, as a business owner. One, you want a client to have a great voiceover, you use ElevenLabs, you ask them what type of accent do they want, that's done. Second thing, let's say that you don't want to use your own voice, you can use ElevenLabs, look for a voice that you want for your video presentation, and that's it. You can impress your clients, you can impress even yourself by not using your own voice and just grabbing the text that you wrote and bringing it up to life with incredible AI voiceovers. So other things that I want you to see. First, ElevenLabs has 29 different languages that you can choose from right over here. You can see it. Then, if you want to use English, but you want to go deeper into the accent, you have the New York accent, you have Italian accent, you have Indian accent, German accent, so you can go deeper and deeper. You also have, if you want to change languages, you have Spanish from Castilla accent, so that's pretty cool. Now that you know this, I want to leave you with this. ElevenLabs is great for text to speech, speech to speech, but also you can use it to clone your own voice. That is a different plan, and I will show it to you in the next video. Now, will you be using ElevenLabs for your presentations, for your videos? I hope so, because it's pretty incredible. All the best. Take care.